Alright, hi everybody, welcome to the show, Two Drinks with Teggy. I'm your host, Otega, and I will be teaching you guys how to make 2 cocktails today, and I hope you enjoy the show. Just to start off, just want to give a little introduction to the spirit I'm using. So I'm making 2 tequila-based cocktails today, and I decided to use the 512 tequila because I'm based in Austin, and they are an Austin local brand. And want to support local businesses. So the first drink is called a White Christmas Margarita. Yes, I know it's January, but yeah, I'm making a Christmas drink because it's still winter time, and it's like it has coconut in it. It's a very refreshing cocktail. I think you guys will enjoy it. The White Christmas Margarita. So to start off, you want to fill your shaker with ice, with some ice. Like so. And then you want to add your spirit, which would be your tequila. 2 ounces of that. And 1 ounce of triple sec. You can use any brand. I use the cheap brand because y'all ain't paying me to make this video. Then you want 1 ounce of lime juice in there. That's the most important thing for making, a margarita. Finally, add some honey. And most important thing, you want to add your, cream of coconut to give it that White Christmas feel. I don't really know why or how, but it makes sense. And it tastes good. Alright, so once you have all that in, you want to shake it like, a salt shaker. And then you want to rim your glass with some lime juice so the salt can stay in place. Got to get my salt, y'all. My bad. So once you apply the lime to your glass, you dip it in some salt. Now you want to fill up your glass with some ice, duh. And then you strain out the shaker into the glass. Right? And there you have it, White Christmas Margarita. But obviously, you can't forget your garnishes to make your drink look pretty. You want a lime. You want some cranberries, maybe 2 or 3 cranberries. About 2 or 3 cranberries. And then finally, you want to add a rosemary to really give it that Christmas, White Christmas Margarita feel. And there you have it, your White Christmas Margarita. Cheers to everybody. I am about to sip this. Let's hope I don't get too late. Holy shit. That's good.